Good afternoon, each one of you. Though the number is very less, 16 students, too bad. But we'll begin with the class and we'll see what to do about it afterwards. Now, anyone having any doubt from the previous chapters or anything you want to ask regarding your exam, please go ahead, raise your hands, then I'll be asking. Niharika Bhushan. Yes, Niharika.
Binary division, that example number 2.
Yes, what about it?
Ma'am, I'm not getting it.
Now you understand. Now you know that you are not getting it. I told you to practice it, isn't it?
Yes,
और
I
बाइनरी
practiced, but
डिवीजन और बाइनरी डिवीजन का एक वीडियो भेजा है मैंने तुमको स्नैप होमवर्क पे. बाइनरी टू डेसिमल ना.
yes, ma'am.
एक
No,
भी
ma'am, binary division, last page number 11.
उसमें क्या नहीं समझ आ रहा तुम्हें?
Ma'am, second example.
क्यों नहीं समझ आ रही बताओ ना. What is the problem? That's what I'm asking.
Ma'am, how the zero is dividing with.
First, you have to, when you are going for it, you must understand the rules of multiplication also. Fine. Now you tell me what exactly you are not able to understand.
Ma'am, I'm not able to understand that how 1 is
Hmm.
multiplying with that number that is given there.
You have to begin from the right to left. जब उसको 1 से किया, अपनी बुक पे देखो निहारिका. जब उसको
Yes, ma'am.
1 से किया, you get 1001. नॉर्मल डिवीजन जो तुम्हारी होती है वैसे ही तो किया उन्होंने. But you have to
Ma'am,
move
but
from right to left. It is the question from right to left, not from left to right. ये 0 से नहीं हुआ है, ये 1 से
yes,
हुआ
ma'am.
है.
Okay, ma'am.
इसीलिए तुम्हें कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है. Even arrow is also given there.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to look from right to left, not from left to right. लास्ट में तुम्हारा 0 से डिवाइड 0 रिमाइंडर आया तुम्हारा. ठीक है.
Yes,
और
ma'am.
एक 0 सिंस तुमको उतार, एक 0 एक्स्ट्रा है वहां पे, so you have to write. So we have division
Okay,
rules are
ma'am.
understood now. You are taking
Yes,
it from
ma'am.
left to right, it is from
Left to
right to,
right.
yeah, that is the problem. But you don't waste your time on multiplication and division, please. You
Okay,
pay
ma'am.
attention, everybody, you please pay attention to decimal to binary and binary to decimal. These two
Okay,
conversions
ma'am.
are important, okay? Because there only your divisions and everything will come. Mute yourself. Yes, Diksha, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
पूछो बच्चे.
Ma'am, I want to ask that the link of term 1 exams of main subjects will come in Google Classroom.
Yes.
Ma'am, so computer you will send on Snap homework only?
Am I there with the Google Classroom?
No, ma'am.
Then Diksha.
Ma'am, that's why only I wanted to ask that.
We'll see. Suddenly all the things will come to an end. Doesn't look like. Let Snap Homework be alive with us for a little more while, okay? So
Okay,
you'll
ma'am.
get computer thing with the Snap Homework only.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
If there will be any change, I'll inform you, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So only 18 students. Very bad. मेरा दिल कर रहा है क्लास को डिस्कनेक्ट कर दूं. But then let it be, no problems. Okay, fine. So we'll begin with the class. In the previous class we have started with introduction to Python, right? And we have done till, I believe, the we have to begin with the interpreter. Is it use of interpreter? Okay, so we'll share the screen and you all please pay attention.
Hello students, let me clicking on the students, let us talk about input main function. Input main function is used to accept the value for a fill in the blanks, straight true or false. Hello students, let me hello fill in the blank. Hello students, 3.7.0 folder. Though you can change this when you are running
You need
the
to wait
installer.
for a while.
Students, let's know more. Students know that interactive mode is beneficial for testing code where you type the commands one at a time and get the result or error immediately. Use of interpreter.
Now, first of all, you must understand what is interpreter. Interpreter is a language processor which converts the high level language or into your low level language or a machine language, line by line. There is another language processor which is compiler. It converts the high level language program into machine language in one go with the list of error if any are there. Okay, so we are going to use the interpreter in installing Python. Reason being, it is the language for the or programming language for the beginners.
As discussed in the above section, the commands are executed line by line in the interactive mode of Python. When you type a command next to the Python prompt and press the enter key, the interpreter converts the command into machine language. After processing, the interpreter again converts the machine code into a human readable form. Output. Students, let's know more. PySoy is a 3D game engine that supports Python-based games. Using print main function. The print main function is used to display the output of any command on the screen.
If you have done a logo, we use print command, right? When we were doing logo, print 1 2 3 4 7. So 1 2 3 4 7 used to be the output only. In the inverted quotes, when we or in the square brackets, when we used to write the sentence or the word, it used to display with the print. Then we have practiced a little in QBasic also. With the print command only, you can display the result. For example, let a is equal to b, let b is equal to let a is equal to 5, let b is equal to 10, c is equal to a plus b, print c. They used to print whatever is stored in the c. Print hello, print welcome, print come, this is my first QBasic program. So print will display the things. Even in the Python, we are using print statement to display the things here.
It can also be used to print the specified messages. For example, Python prompt print hello world will display hello world. Python is a case-sensitive programming language. It means that Python differentiates between capital and small letters. For example, print P capital and print P small are two different things for Python, where print is a valid command in Python, while print is just a word and not a command. We can also pass more than one argument to the print main function. In such a case, the arguments are separated by commas as shown in figures using idle as a calculator.
Now, even in your logo, in your QBasic, if we are using logo, either all the alphabets in capital or all the alphabets in small. Logo में. Print, when we are using print anything in your this thing QBasic, It also either in capital or in small, but generally we used to write in small. It accepts it. So these are case sensitive. If capital, capital; if small, small. So here in this Python, you will be using only small letters for the commands.
To evaluate an arithmetic expression, it is not necessary to use the print main function. If we type an arithmetic expression at the Python prompt and press the enter key, the interpreter automatically evaluates it and shows the result. In this case, the interpreter acts as a simple calculator. The expressions are evaluated using operators like plus, minus, asterisk, division, etc. The basic BODMAS rules are followed for performing calculations. For example, let me share a tip with you. In IDLE, you can press Alt plus P to repeat the previous command. Students, let's know more. The Python IDLE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment, executes instructions one line at a time. Variables in Python.
Before we begin with the variables in Python, I hope this much is clear to you, right? And let me stop share and let me ask you, is there anything you want to ask now? Okay, fine. Today, since I think Yashasvi is not there, so Shipri or Diksha, you please take a note who are present there in the class today, because I'll be needing in once the school will reopen. Even you'll be in 8th standard, I'll take care of the 7th standard too. Okay, so take a note, please. So we'll share the screen again.
If you need to store some food for future use, what will you require? Well, you will need a container to store the food. Similarly, when you are working with the values in Python, you require some storage to hold values for later use. Such storage locations are known as variables. A variable can store only one data value at a time. When a new value is stored in a variable, its previous value gets overwritten. Students, let's know more. A variable is a named memory location that stores the data and whose value may change during program execution.
So a variable is a named memory location that stores the data and whose value may change during program execution, right? For example, in your kitchen, you have refrigerator. So the variable is having a name. It's a location. Refrigerator is a location. So named memory location, refrigerator. And it stores, for example, ice cream. Okay, you have a Belgium ice cream today. Once you'll get the new ice cream, say vanilla flavor, you will take out the Belgium, finish it off, and over. So they have to be even in between. Vanilla खाते खाते तुम्हारा दिल किया कोई दूसरी खानी, you can have it also. So during the execution of program, the value may change, but in your constants, if you remember the constants, they do not change throughout the execution of the program. So variable जो for example, if you remember 6th में जब आपने किया let a is equal to 5, so a is a variable जिसमें हमने 5 की वैल्यू स्टोर की. अगर मैं 5 की वैल्यू चेंज कर दूं तो वेरिएबल में वो वैल्यू नई वाली चली जाएगी और 5 नहीं रहेगी. So these are the variables, these are the named memory location that stores data.
The assignment operator equal to. Values are assigned to variables using assignment operator equal to. For example, the statement x equals to 25 assigns the value 25 to the variable x. Observe the following codes to understand the use of assignment operators. A equals to 10 Hash value 10 is assigned to the variable a. b equals to 20. Hash value 20 is assigned to the variable b. C equals to a plus b. Hash, the numbers are added and the value is assigned to the variable c. That is, 30 is assigned to the variable c. A equals to c minus 10. Hash, value 20. 30 minus 10 is assigned to the variable a. So, now the value of the variable a is 20 and not 10. Rules to write the variable names. There are certain rules in Python which have to be followed to form valid variable names. The rules for valid identifier variable name are: a variable name must start with an alphabet, capital or small, or an underscore. A variable name can consist of alphabets, digits, and underscore. No other character is allowed. A Python keyword cannot be used as a variable name. Students, let's know more. A keyword is a word that conveys a special meaning to the compiler. Students, note that a variable name can be of any length. Variable names are case sensitive. Example, age and age are different variable names. Examples of some valid variable names are class, employee underscore code, total salary, mini value, balance fee, age 1980, A45R. Following are examples of some invalid variable names. Variable name, reason, employee code. Space is not allowed in a variable name. 10 code. Variable name cannot start with a digit. ABC Limited. Dot is not allowed in a variable name. ABC at limited. Special characters are not allowed in a variable name. Else. Else is a keyword in Python, so it cannot be used as a variable name. Students, if a variable is being used without assigning a value, that is, if the variable is not defined, it gives an error. The above code gives an error because the variable x is used in the print main function without being defined. Students, let's know more. A compiler is a language processor that converts a program written in high-level language into machine language and vice versa, just like an interpreter, but in one single step. Students, let us find out how to work in script.
I hope this much is understood by you. Ma'am, there is one girl who is not in our class. Who's that be? Who's not from? Radhika. Third B. Radhika, unmute yourself. Radhika, unmute yourself. अपने आप को अनम्यूट करो भाई.
मैम
तुम कौन सी क्लास से हो? Which class are you from?
थर्ड बी.
Then what are you doing in my class? You have a class right now, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you are not in your class and what are you doing? From where did you get the link?
मैम मुझे लिंक आया था.
तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स कहाँ हैं?
मम्मा ये थोड़ा ई का लिंक है. मेरे थोड़ा बी मैम कह रही पेरेंट्स है. करीम को बुला. करीम को बुला. मैम कह रही कि थर्ड बी का थर्ड ए का लिंक है.
आप अपनी मम्मा से बात कराओ. आप अपनी मम्मा से बात कराओ मेरी. मैम आई थिंक आपके बच्चे ने स्नैप होमवर्क पे बाय मिस्टेक और जैसे भी है 7th को इनरोल कर रखा है 7th स्टैंडर्ड को. प्लीज डिलीट द 7th स्टैंडर्ड फ्रॉम द.
मैम 7th स्टैंडर्ड को नहीं, ये मेरे को लिंक आया हुआ है.
हाँ, वो लिंक इसीलिए आया होगा आपको क्योंकि आपके स्नैप होमवर्क पे एक और चाइल्ड ऐड हुआ होगा 7th स्टैंडर्ड का. मे बी आजकल बच्चे
नहीं
लगे
मैम,
रहते हैं.
कोई नहीं ऐड हुआ है. मेरी 2 ही गर्ल्स बेटियां हैं, एक 5th में है
आई
और एक
अंडरस्टैंड
3rd.
मैम, आई अंडरस्टैंड, लेकिन 7th स्टैंडर्ड का लिंक जा ही नहीं सकता 3rd को स्नैप होमवर्क पे. दिस इज 7th स्टैंडर्ड गोइंग ऑन और आपके बच्चे ने 7th स्टैंडर्ड ज्वाइन किया है.
ओके मैम, आई एम
please,
सॉरी, बट
हाँ,
मैंने वो
आप एक
मुझे
बार
लगा
check.
आप, क्योंकि
नहीं, मैं दिस इज नॉट
हाँ
द
मैं
3rd स्टैंडर्ड गोइंग ऑन, दिस इज 7th
ओके
स्टैंडर्ड
मैम,
गोइंग
ओके
ऑन.
मैम.
यू
मैम
प्लीज
वो
चेक इट
मुझे
आउट.
कह रही थी,
हाँ,
हाँ वो मुझे कह रही थी कि ये मेरी क्लास नहीं है. मुझे लगा शायद आप हो, तो शायद आपने दोबारा क्लास ली.
नहीं,
ओके
प्लीज
मैम,
चेक इट आउट.
ओके
इनकी कोई
मैम,
दूसरी क्लास.
आई एम लीविंग, आई एम
इन,
लीविंग मैम.
इनकी कोई दूसरी क्लास है, प्लीज ज्वाइन दैट.
ओके मैम, आई एम लीविंग, आई एम लीविंग.
ओके,
ओके मैम.
थैंक यू. Okay, fine. So, anybody else is having any problem regarding the variable here? Anyone is having any problem regarding the variable? Okay. So, variable is the named memory location where we store our data. The data can be changed during the execution of a program. Now we are going to start with working in script mode. So we'll begin again.
Script mode. Interactive mode is preferred for small programs where only a few commands are to be executed. This is because the output in interactive mode is compressed between the statements and may create confusion while writing long programs. For writing lengthy programs in Python, script mode is used. Using this mode, we can create and edit Python programs. In this mode, we can save our file so that it can be used later. The complete script is written in an editor, such as a notepad in Windows. Students, you can press F1 key to use Python help. Number 1. Create module or script or program file. 1. Open idle Python. Number 2. Click on the file, then go to New File in idle Python shell as shown in figure. Number 3. In the new window that opens, type the commands you want to save as a program as shown in figure. Number 4. Click on the file, then go to Save and save the file with the name program1.py, where .py is the extension for Python files. Number 2. Run module, script, program file. After the Python program file is created, you can run the program by following the given steps. Open idle Python shell. Click on the file, then go to Open. If the file is already opened, you can directly follow the next step. Click on the Run, then Run module or press F5 key. It will execute all the commands you have stored in a separate Python shell window. Students observe the difference between the script mode and the interactive mode as shown in figure. Students, let's know more. A script is a program that you type in Python. Okay, let us talk about data types.
Now, almost it is as similar to your QBasic. If you can see, you have same thing as you are having in QBasic. Run with F5, save, creating the files, the module, and then go to the shell, file, open, run module. Then you have a window where you get the run thing. Otherwise, you can do with the F5 key, right? So I don't think so there will be any problem since you have done this all the things in your QBasic. Is there any problem? Please ask me right now, because then once we'll disconnect or we'll have in the next class, then there will be difficult to go back to the and make it. Right now, if you'll understand the things, it will be better for you. So if there is any problem, you please ask me. No doubts? Fine. Then we'll move ahead with your next topic, and the topic is data types. Okay.
Types. Suppose you have planned a holiday trip using vacations and you have to book tickets for your family members. The first action that you need to take is to fill a form to get the reservation done, where you need to give your required details like train number, date of journey, name, age, etc. Here every piece of data that you enter is of a specific type. As your name is a string type, age is a numeric type, and date of journey is of date type. Similarly, in Python, one must specify in a program what kind of values will be stored in a specific variable. Students, now let us talk about basic data types in Python. In Python, a data type represents the type of data stored in a variable. The data stored in memory can be of many types. Python has various standard data types based on the type of value. For example, a student's marks are stored as a numeric value, whereas his or her address is stored as alphanumeric characters. The basic data types used in Python are mentioned here. int, integer, represent integral numbers, numbers without any fractional part. There are three types of integers in Python. Integer type, description. Integer int stores value in the range of -214,748,3648 to 214,748,3647. Long integers, long int, support the values that lie beyond the range of integers. Boolean, bool. It represents logical values in the form of true and false. In Boolean, 0 represents false and 1 represents true. Float represents floating point values, numbers with fractional part. The fractional part of a floating point number may be 0 as well. Examples of floating point numbers are 3.14, -48.8, 18.0, etc. str, string. A string data type represents strings of characters enclosed within quotation marks. Examples of strings are hello, my name, 218, peace, etc. Some examples of data types in Python are value 15, data type integer, value 7.9, data type float, value computer application, data type str, value 7 greater than 3, data type bool. Students, let us talk about input main function.
This much is clear to all of you? Because these are the normal mathematical terms which you are already been doing, so there must be no problem. And QBasic also you have done alphanumeric and everything. So I think we'll wind up the chapter here. If anybody wants to ask anything regarding your term 1, any problem, you please ask me right now. You can all unmute yourselves. You all can unmute yourselves and you can talk whatever you want to talk now. Come on, hurry up. So we had only 20 students. I'm definitely going to tell sister I don't want to take your class anymore because this is not done. Shreya, stop talking to what? Shreya, stop talking here and there. You are in a class. Okay. So if anybody wants to ask anything, please go ahead and ask now. You can unmute yourself and you can talk. Come on. Come on, say yes, no, whatever you want to say.
No, ma'am, fully satisfied.
Okay, thank you, Vanchika.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So you don't want to ask anything? Then I shall wind up the
No, ma'am.
class. Shall we-
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then now, before we wind up the class, from Monday you are going to have your exams. Please study well, do well, make me proud, and keep a little more extra care about your health because exams are approaching, and then we do not want you to fall sick or get into any trouble. And whatever you type in Google Forms, make sure it is to the point, as all the teachers have given in the book, or whatever the answer they have marked, because Google Form is auto generated or auto correcting forms. So you need to be very careful what is given. Okay, so be careful and do well. Bye. See you.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay. Bye.